Here comes one. Oh yeah. MaClean, a tidy town. Joy and I went for a trip away and we went to MaClean on the Clarence River, Yamba and iLuka. I got soaked by a wave on the rocks.
So MaClean is a Scottish town and here you can find your tartan on their old poles. And that's Brody hunting. So, Christome.
It was interesting driving around MaClean looking at all of the different tartan painted posts, different Scottish names. Certainly worth a look and seeing if your Scottish name is on anywhere. MaClean on the Clarence River. So the main street by the looks of it. We went for a drive up to the lookout, but before the lookout there is what's called the Pinnacles, or the S is rubbed out, so I'm assuming it's meant to be called the Pinnacle. And here's us with the Pinnacle in the background. Now we are at the lookout looking down at the Clarence River. Very hazy, isn't it? Here we are going to go under the old bridge on the highway and the new bridge.
Between the two bridges. There's a little boat going there. Skim along. These crab nets. Fishermen.
Welcome to Yamba and New South Wales. This is my second visit to Yamba. Yamba is quite a nice coastal town in New South Wales. It's well, at the moment for this time of year, Christmassy time, it is all booked out, so it can get busy, but it is a very nice place, and we go to see some rocks, and it is quite choppy from the ex-cyclone, and I get drenched with some water at these rocks by waves splashing up. It's a very nice, interesting place to visit. Here comes one. Oh yeah. There is a lighthouse up on top of that hill there, so we're going to take a drive and go up and have a look at it and the surroundings, and from there we can look back down onto the rocks that we just were at. This is a beach, I'm not sure what beach it is called. The Yamba Lighthouse. We're at the lighthouse in Yamba. Now we head to iLuka. The fish board. Legal limits. It's looking back over Yamba, the lighthouse. you'll be back naturally, so they say.
Here comes one.